Diabetes is a big problem in our country, and it's not just in humans. Pets are also battling the disease. Sunrise reporter Roland Rodriguez joins us live from Oso Creek Animal Hospital. And Roland, I bet a lot of people don't realize that can happen.
Hi, good morning, Mike, and good morning, South Texas. Diabetes in your dog or cat can occur at any age, but if it's detected early enough, this disease can be manageable. Although diabetes in pets is sometimes classified as type 1 or 2, the difference between the types is less clear in pets than in humans.
I think we probably see more diabetes in cats than we do in dogs. In dogs, females get it 3 times more often than males, but in cats, males get it 3 times more often than females. In dogs, obesity is not a great predisposing factor, but in cats, we know that cats that are overweight are much more likely to become diabetic, just like people.
Understanding diabetic symptoms for your pets is critical.
The symptoms that you see in dogs and cats are similar, even though the kinds of diabetes that they have are usually different. They have increased water consumption and urine output, oftentimes increased appetite, and unexplained weight loss. Those are the 3 most common symptoms.
Just as important as knowing the symptoms is understanding how to care for your diabetic pet.
Okay, so if you see your dog or cat suddenly drinking more water than it used to, especially if it's a cat that's middle-aged and older, then you need to take your cat into your veterinarian or your dog into your veterinarian and let them run some tests and find out if they are indeed diabetic. If they are, treatment almost always involves insulin injections and monitoring blood glucose.
And the key to managing your pet's diabetes is managing their exercise and, of course, their diet. Reporting live from the Oso Creek Animal Hospital, Roland Rodriguez, KRIS 6 News.